Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your Mac from turning its display off automatically. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Battery. From the left menu in the battery settings, select Battery again. The first option here is called Turn Off Display After. Drag the slider to the right and set it to Never. Now select Power Adapter from the left. Drag the slider to change the timeout time to Never again. Your Mac's display will now stay on, but this may affect the lifespan of the display. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.